Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload video in theme. So simply just open the theme page and after that just click on customize button and now wait here. So here we will upload the video. So simply in order to do this, just you can see this is our main product page. So here we will upload the video. So now if you want to upload the video, just simply paste your YouTube link here or anywhere that your video is link is available, like your own site. So you can simply copy the URL and paste here. So after that, when you paste the link, you can also add the text here and after that click on save button. So in this way you can easily upload the video in theme.